Hey everybody, so we got a Dewalt deal that I picked up from Casa Grande Lowe's, and the deal, we're going to be talking about the deal, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be just talking about a quick deal that I picked up from Casa Grande Lowe's. This is the new DCD998 hammer drill kit. This is the Power Detect model. It is David Charlie David 998 Whiskey 1. David Charlie David 998 Whiskey 1. DCD998W1. This comes with the new DCD998 hammer drill, which is the Power Detect model. Comes with an 8 amp hour with the 21700 cells, as well as a fast charger and a bag. And this deal, I got a free extra 8 amp hour with the 21700 celled battery, which is 160 watt out. And this is part number DCB208. So David Charlie Bravo 208. David Charlie Bravo 208. And I will be putting the receipt in, as well as photos of the deal, of the store sign. We're going to look at the receipt real quick. What I can show you, if you guys can see it, I don't know. I'm looking at a small screen. So the deal is Dewalt 20 volt max Power Detect hammer drill kit, $279.00, and the Dewalt 20 volt max XR 8 amp hour lithium battery. You got it for $0, so it's 0.00. Came out to $288.96. Now yours is going to be cheaper than that because I also bought a $9.98 precision driver by Cobalt. So that's not going to be on there, but my subtotal was $288.96. Tax was $26.59. So it came out to $315.57 for me. Without the precision driver, because I saw the price before the precision driver was scanned for purchase, it was $308.50. So it's $315.57. So it's not much of a difference, but I just wanted to inform you guys, today is June 15th. This deal, this is a your mileage may vary deal. This might be at your store, it might be at a store further down the road. Certain Lowe's are doing Power Detect deals where you get a free 8. Certain stores are doing a 20 volt XR bare tool and you get a free 3 amp hour 21700 cell starter kit. That will be a separate video, which is this video right here we're going to talk about. But I'm going to insert the photos of the receipts as well as the physical store promo picture, as well as you guys can also see it on my Instagram if you are on my Instagram. And links for my Instagram are in the description below. But I'll be right back. I'm going to insert those for you guys, and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so we're back. So, should have been able to see the photos, and this, we'll be doing an unboxing of these items, and we'll be talking more about them. This kit, it states that it does max power of 1072 unit watts out. I'm not sure what the conversion to foot-pounds is. I've tried to calculate that and I can't figure a way out of calculating that. In drill mode, for drill bits, it has in speed 1, 0 to 450, in speed 2, 0 to 1300, and speed 3, 0 to 2000 RPMs. And these are no load speeds. In hammer drill function, at speed 1 it's 0 to 500, speed 2 is 0 to 1500, and speed 3 is 0 to 2250, 2250 RPMs. Max beats per minute in speed 1 is 0 to 8500 beats per minute. In speed 2, it's 0 to 25,500 beats per minute, and speed 3, it's 0 to 38,250 beats per minute. It is a 3-speed clutch, or 11-speed clutch, and it has 3 transmission settings. Tool weight's 3.5 pounds. This kit comes with the drill and driver, hammer drill and driver, 20 volt max XR 2CB 208 battery, so David Charlie Bravo 208, fast charger, side handle, belt clip, and kit bag. If you want to see the tool and you want to get more specifications, my thoughts and everything, wait for that video. As well as if you guys want to see a comparison between the DCD998 hammer drill power detect model versus its older brother, which is the DCD996, let me know. I can do a comparison on that as well. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!